What's up, people? Dr. Pex here. I'm back again with another deep dive into the audio world. And today we're unboxing and giving first impressions of the Kiwi Ears Division Headphones. Now, these aren't just any headphones. This is Kiwi Ears' first attempt. I don't know, maybe it's their first attempt at over-ear monitoring kinds. Coming from a company that's been wowing musicians with their in-ear monitors for years, the pressure is on. Let's see if they can keep the streak alive. A little backstory, and before I unbox, let's talk about Kiwi Ears for a second. They blew up during the COVID era with the in-ear monitors. They were affordable, reliable, and so clear they could even make your GarageBand sound halfway decent. And these in-ear monitors, they became the go-to for many musicians around the world, for sound engineers and anyone who needed precision on a budget. So when they reached out to me and I saw the company and I was like, oh, Kiwi Ears, Linsu, the same people that made all these in-ears. I was like, this is actually really amazing. Of course, I would like to try out your headphones. Send it up to me. And luckily, this is my first collaboration. Kiwi Ears, they're keeping it simple and professional. No over-the-top packaging here. Let's see what we have inside, okay? And inside, yeah, you just get a 3.5mm cable and a 6.3mm adapter for pro setups, and that's it. The 3.5mm cable, 3.5 to 6.5mm adapter, that's it. No unnecessary paperwork, no gimmicky stickers, just the essentials. First look and build quality, first impressions. Let me see what they look like. Okay. First, they look sleek. They're lightweight, but they're not flimsy though. Yeah, and the vegan leather ear cushions, they feel soft, like the kind of soft where you catch that yourself saying nice out loud. The ear cups, they swivel just enough for that perfect fit, and the headband just has the right amount of flex, what I'm looking for. And yeah, they look cool enough to boost your street cred. Whether you're mixing a live service or just pretending to know what all those knobs on the soundboard do anyway. How do they fit on my head? Fit good. The cushions is soft enough. Of course, not as big and round as my Beyerdynamics. And one thing I like about the fact is that the cable, I'm able to pop the cable out compared to the Beyer. I don't think I'm able to do that with the Beyerdynamics. So I can use this for music listening. Let's see how that goes. Just listening to music without just using it in the production. I'm gonna use these headphones to mix a live service at church. I'm also gonna use it to mix a post-production. I'm gonna hear how that sounds. This included adapter is perfect for pro audio gear. That's what we're looking for. That's what we always have, and the setup is easy. So very, very easy with this. It's just plug in and you're ready to roll. So plug in, you're ready. And for professionals, always goes. Now, comfort. In terms of comfort-wise, these are a win. The lightweight design and the plush ear cushions mean there's no neck strain, no ear fatigue, basically no excuses for messing up the mix. And honestly, if this can get me through a Sunday church service mix without neck fatigue, they're already winning. Plus, to be honest, they are so comfy, you might forget you're wearing them until you try to walk away from the mix and then get yanked by, you get yanked back like a cartoon character. Quick sound check. Now, I'm not gonna dive into the full review just yet. That's coming after I've put these through their paces. But let me first listen and let me hear if Kiwi Ears are ready to play. So after just using this to just listen to just normal music, I just plugged it in to listen to normal music. I said the bass is tight, the mids are smooth, and the trebles are crisp enough to make you say, wait, did I miss that detail before? The review will continue. I've got a lot more to say about these headphones, but first, I'm going to put them through the ultimate test, live mixing in a church service, coming up, post-production editing, and maybe even a little casual listening. Now, if you remember in the last segment, we unboxed the Kiwi Ears Division Headphones. We talked about the design and shared my first impressions. Now that I've put them through the ultimate test, live mixing at church, post-production at home, and even some casual listening, it's time to dive into how these headphones actually perform. Spoiler alert, I'm impressed. And let's pick up where we left off, shall we? Let's start with the build. The Kiwi Ears Division looks sleek and feels sturdy, especially for its price point. The vegan leather ear cushions, they're soft, they're supportive, and just plush enough to keep you comfortable during those long sessions. But let's talk about the clamping force. Yes, it feels like a snug hug on your head, or as I like to call it, the vacuum effect. It's great for focus and blocking out distractions, but after a couple of hours, you might find yourself needing a quick breather. Now think of it as your headphones politely reminding you to stretch. Thanks, Kiwi Ears. Now let's dive into sound quality, which I know that's what all of you are actually here for. First up, live mixing. Now, live mixing is where these headphones shine. The near flat response, what I was looking for, makes it easy to balance the mix, especially in a dynamic church environment with vocals, instruments, and ambient noise to manage. The bass is a bit more pronounced from my experience, which is fantastic for controlling kick drums and bass guitars. Just watch your sub levels. Now for the mids are a little bit neutral and they're perfectly tuned. I would say near to perfectly tuned for vocals, ensuring the lead singer and pastor that come through clearly. And the highs, they are subtle, giving you enough detail to pick up cymbals and harmonies without them sounding harsh. Even one of my volunteers who's used to a more basic headphones, he gave this a try. And you know what? Hear from him directly.
My name is Emmanuel Michael. Just giving my review on the Kiwi Ear headphones. Using it today during service, it was amazing. You know, when I first put these on my ear, I could feel and hear the in-depthness of what's going on. I could hear the volume, I could hear the feedback, and it let me know how to adjust the volume correctly. And I really feel like these headphones right here was worth it because putting it on compared to the other ones we've had, they couldn't compare to it. And with these headphones, you're able to really hear not only the background noise, but what the speaker is saying. And I feel like that's really important when you want to understand how to increase volume, decrease volume, see what things are going on. And going from each stage mic to the next, it was nice. And I really recommend these. I give these a 9 out of 10.
Honestly, I couldn't agree more. Now next up, I use it in post-production. Usually sometimes I would mix with just my studio monitors, and sometimes I will mix with my headphones. Sometimes headphones kind of give you a much more closer experience. Right? Let's go. Clean, right? So let's turn down the HS5s, and then let's just go headphones and let me hear how that sounds, okay? And I'll tell you how that sounds. This division is an absolute workhorse. Now the near flat response means you can trust what you're hearing. It's like having a microscope for your mix. Bass issues, you'll catch them. Hash mates, fixed. Dialogue, clarity, on point. And that vacuum-like seal really comes in handy here too. It blocks out distractions, so it's just you, your project, and the pursuit of perfection. I mean, what else could you ask for? Now you could hear it, my reaction in the video, which I actually found out when I just plugged it in, I rolled out a mix, I was working on post-production concert, and I was like, wow. I think it's best to hear my thoughts live and hear my reaction. Damn! Wow. Wow. No way. I did not expect that at all. Wow. For $50-something? No, I did not expect. I just want to talk about, I wish you could know my reactions from what I was expecting. I wasn't expecting so much out of this, but wow. This was just a live recording of my friend Ego just made some few weeks ago. I'm blown away. This is meant for live production people, DJ people. I'm blown away. I'm blown away. I think they've done it again. Low-cost headphones compared to my Beyerdynamics I always use. I mean, those are my go-to. This lightweight, I'm shocked. Now, for casual listening, these hold up surprisingly well. Spotify playlist, Apple Music playlist, they sound rich. Watching movies on my Apple TV felt immersive, like a mini home theater. But here's the thing, these are so precise for the price. You might start noticing flaws in poorly mixed tracks. So proceed with caution if you're listening to your own old mixes. I plugged it directly into my MacBook Pro 14-inch, which has the professional 3.5mm jack to drive high impedance headphones, and put up some of my songs on Apple Music, some Afro beats like Iria Star and Davido's and Burna Boy's album. And I was shocked how these cheap headphones for production, which I believe they were made for production, were able to achieve that clarity, that deep bass, that neutral mid that I was looking for. Now let's address the elephant, or should I say headphones in the room. How does the Kiwi Ears Division compare to the Beyerdynamic DT 770 Pro, which I use? Now, as I said earlier, these are my go-to for post-production, for live production. These are my go-to. I always carry this around wherever I go to. I mix both in the Behringerwing, the X32, the Allen&heaths, the D-Live, the Yamahas. These are my go-to, and I love these. They are flat. They give me that mix I'm looking for. Of course, when I advance, I'm definitely gonna advance more on the Beyerdynamics. But I was actually comparing these Beyerdynamics to actually these cheap headphones. Now, these of course cost almost $200, and this costs $55. But comparison, the Division delivers a similarly flat response, but with slightly more bass emphasis. Now, both are comfortable, though the Division's clamping force is a bit stronger, actually, so it might actually cause some pain on the pinna of your ear. Let's talk price. These are an absolute steal compared to the DT 770s. I mean, even the newer ones that cost $200, $300, $400, $500, $700. It's like getting a filet mignon at bargain money prices. Who wouldn't love that? Quick summary. Pros: the near flat response for professional mixing, what I was looking for, because that's what I use it for. I mix live. The excellent bass and vocal clarity, what I was looking for. Affordable price point, $55, what I was looking for. I mean, you heard about it in my volunteer's reaction. I gave it to him and I said, you know what, use this. And you could hear what it says. Now for the cons, now the bars might be a bit much for purists, those who are looking for something really, really pure, which these Beyerdynamics just give you that. The clamping force, they can feel a little bit tight, especially during long sessions. I feel like also these cups are not big enough to envelope my ears compared to my usual Beyerdynamics. I feel like they are not, how would I say, you could say these are the Beyerdynamics. Look at how far they could reach, and the clamping force is not so much. This, you could see, I'm actually a little bit stretchy. It could go, but I'm scared if it's gonna break. No wireless option, but hey, you're here for uncompressed audio, right? This is for live mixing. Now, after live mixing, post-production, and casual listening, I can confidently say that Kiwi Ears Division Headphones deliver on to their promise. They've got something here. They've got something here. For a budget post-production headphones, those who use it in live production, post-production DJs, for a budget headphones at $55, they've got something here. They're precise, they're versatile, and they're incredibly affordable for what they offer. Now, are they perfect? No. I'm not going to say they're perfect. I'm not going to say that they're up to my Beyerdynamics. But at the price point, they're punching way above their weight class. And if they can handle the chaos of my Sunday service mix, they can handle anything. Now, full disclosure, this is my first collaboration, and they sent me these to test, and I told them I'm going to give you my honest, unbiased opinion. And this is actually my honest, unbiased opinion. The same people that produce those in-ears that we're using right now, the Linsul in-ears that we use all the time, coming out with these. Because those in-ears, we're talking about $300, $400, and they came out with in-ears of $55, $60 that have like 5 drivers. And you see how wonderful they sound. And they are producing this that are this clear at $55 price point. Trust me, the only thing I would tell them to do, make this much more bigger. Make this more durable. It feels a little bit plasticky. Make this more durable. I mean, that's the only thing. Make it more flat, less bassy. Make the ear cups more bigger. For a lot of people who are looking for budget options, yes, you've got this. If you don't have money to spend on these, you've got this. I've shared my thoughts, but now I want to hear from you. What do you think of these Kiwi Ears Division headphones? Drop your questions or thoughts in the comment below. Let's talk shop. And hey, if you're looking for affordable professional grade headphones, this might just be your new best friend. I just want to give you something really, really simple, really flat. I don't want to go through all the whole this graph, and I don't want to do all of that, because I know many of you that are watching this video, you just want something cheap, something affordable that you can just pick, you can put on your headphones, and you can take out to mix, or for post-production, or for your DJ, or probably for some casual listening. Of course, I know you are not buying these for casual listening, but for those who are buying this for casual listening, these are not for you. These are for post-production. These are for those people in professional productions, live productions, those who are mixing. These are for you. These are my new best friends, and I definitely recommend this for the price point that they are, and for what Kiwi Ears are doing here. I recommend this. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comment section below. See you in the next one, guys. I have a lot of videos coming up, church tech videos, home tech videos for you this year. I'm gonna see you in the next one, guys. Peace.